Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? In today's video, I will be revealing 10 simple rules for beginners on how to invest wisely. Rule 1. Start with a solid financial foundation. Before you dive into the world of investing, ensure that you have a solid financial foundation. This means having a basic understanding of personal finance, creating an emergency fund, and paying off high-interest debt. Rule 2. Set clear investment goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve with your investments, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a property, or funding your dream vacation. Rule 3. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Rule 4. Do your research. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment options, understand market trends, and analyze potential risks. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Rule 5. Start small and gradually increase. Rule number 5. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain more confidence and experience. It's important to understand that investing is a long-term journey, and patience is the key to success. Rule 6. Focus on the long term. Avoid getting swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Stay committed to your investment strategy and allow compounding interest to work its magic over time. Rule 7. Don't let emotions drive decisions. The stock market can be unpredictable, and fear or greed can cloud your judgment. Stay rational and trust your thorough research and analysis. Rule 8. Automate your investments. Take advantage of technology and set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. This will help you stay disciplined and consistently save for your financial goals. Rule 9. Understand the power of compounding interest. By reinvesting your earnings, you can earn returns on your initial investment as well as on the gains you made previously. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Rule 10. Seek professional advice when needed. If you find yourself unsure or overwhelmed, don't hesitate to consult a financial advisor. They can provide valuable guidance tailored to your specific needs and goals. By following these 10 simple rules, you will be well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. Remember, investing is a long-term journey, and with the right knowledge and approach, you can achieve financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Until next time.